So what is Bing? Bing is like having ChatGPT 4 for free in your browser. So let's dive right into Bing. So Bing is a browser where you can search the web for anything that you're looking for, but here if you click the Bing icon, it brings up the AI chat. Now this is powered by ChatGPT 4, but the biggest difference is that A, it's free, and B, it has access to the internet. Beyond that, you can prompt it just the same as you would ChatGPT. Give me a nice Italian recipe to cook for my anniversary dinner tonight. You can see searching the web for Italian recipe, and we have our suggestions here. You'll notice right off the bat there's these numbers which correspond to numbers at the bottom, and what these numbers represent are the sources that Bing got its information from. So you can tell this first piece of information comes from this website here. The second bit of information comes from this website here. This is crucial for fact-checking and exploring the source of the information in case you wanted to, like I said, fact-check Bing to make sure that the information you're getting is accurate, or B, you just want to further explore the source of the information to see if there's any other relevant information on that source. But what's really nice is that you can have Bing interact with the website that you're on. For example, let's say we click this news article. Instantly, we already have a summary of this article. Bing populates with automatic follow-up questions that you can ask, or you can ask your own follow-up question. And if you find an article that Bing hasn't automatically summarized for you, you can ask it to do so in the chat. Please summarize this article. And here we go. Bing has now summarized this web page. We could ask it a follow-up question, or we could say, try again, but in 10 bullet points. You'll notice we have 2 of 20 here. Now what happens at 20 of 20 is Bing will no longer remember the information in the chat, which means if you want to continue using Bing, you're going to have to restart a new chat by hitting the broom icon, which will restart for a new topic. An obvious advantage to using Bing is you can search for current information. Please give me 10 attention-grabbing YouTube video titles in the style of Mr. Beast. Now, it didn't quite give us 10, but you can see Bing is not limited to a training cutoff point. So Bing is able to give us some relevant YouTube titles that would be competitive today, which is so important in a very fast-paced and ever-changing environment. We can ask Bing, give me a list of new products I can sell online. And we can see a list of products suggested by Bing, some other interesting links to click on, and where Bing found its information to begin with. We could use the follow-up question, what are the most profitable products to sell online? And again, we have a list of products, some other interesting links, and where the information came from. So Bing is essentially ChatGPT 4 connected to the internet, integrated directly in the Microsoft Edge browser. So you can use all the same prompting techniques that you've already learned for ChatGPT and apply them to Bing.